In this video we're going to look at rules for emails in Microsoft Outlook. You'll notice I'm logged into the full Outlook here and not into the web version of Outlook. You do get a few more options with full Outlook. So we have an email here. To set up a rule, if I right click on the email and go to rules, you'll see that it automatically comes up with one at the top, which is always move messages from this sender. Obviously, you've got to tell it where you're going to move it to, but we're going to look at that in a second. So if every time you had an email from this person, you wanted to put it into a particular folder, you could click on that, and it would then ask you to pick a folder from your list. If you need to create a folder, simply in your inbox, right click and new folder. So we'll just call this emails from DShock. And as you can see, we can go rules, always move messages, emails from DShock. Okay. And then there you go, it's done it automatically for us. Any emails from that person go straight into that email. Could be useful to put emails from your boss into a particular folder and those sort of things. Other things we can do with rules is if we create a rule, you'll notice we have quite a few options pop up now. So we can have it from someone. We can have it if the subject contains the word whatever. You could say if it's sent to me only, or if it's sent to a group of people, or me and someone else. So it could be that there's 3 or 4 people in a little team working on a project. They're all sending emails backwards and forwards, and you could say if it was sent to all those people, pop it into the folder for that project. We could also get it to display a new item alert window, which will pop up on our computer and just say that this email has come in, play a sound, or move the item to a folder. If we get to advanced options, you'll notice now that we can really start to expand upon this. So you'll see who is it from, today in the subject, or today in the subject or the body. Who's it sent to? If it's sent through a specified account, if it's sent only to me, so when my name is in the to box as opposed to the CC box or the BCC box. If it's marked as important, marked as sensitive, marked flagged for action. And as you can see, if there are specific words in the body or in the message header, if it's been assigned to a category. So as you can see, there's an incredible amount of power that you can do with this. And we'll keep it simple for now. If it's just from this person, click next, and then we can pick our options of, do we move it? Do we assign it to a category? Do we delete it? Do we permanently delete it? Deleting it will move it into the deleted items. Permanently deleting it will get rid of it completely. Forward it to groups, play sounds, marking point. As you can see, there are so many options that we can do with this. And if we just cancel and go back. When you've created a rule, you can actually go to rules and manage rules and alerts. So you'll see we have a rule applied, which is the one for DShock, and it's moving it into the folder. We can click on that and delete it, or we can change it to edit the rule settings, add extra bits to it. We can also manage alerts, so if you've got some SharePoint sites and every time someone posts onto the SharePoint site, you get alerted to it. If you click in there, you can delete or edit the alert. And that gives you a brief rundown of using rules in Microsoft Outlook.